blueprint plan is generated by Amplified Human. Refer to the blueprint text to map out a draft for better visualization optional. You may skip this step if you're confident in building the workflow. Refer to the workflow plan to build it on the Amplified Human platform. You can choose different LLMs for each stage of the workflow according to your preference. After 10 to 20 minutes, the 2 generated reports will be sent to your email. The first report shows you your current skill gaps, actionable steps to take to stand out in your industry, and how a day in the life of your ideal job will look like. The second report contains a master resume template and customized cover letters to local and global recommended jobs.